PicassoTab XL Review. The standalone drawing tablet artists didn't see coming. Ever felt stuck staring at a blank page, frustrated that your tools just don't keep up? Maybe your creativity gets blocked by clunky setups, wasted time fiddling with cables, or apps that crash right when inspiration strikes. That sinking feeling of being so ready to create but paralyzed by unreliable gear is soul-crushing, and way too familiar for beginner and hobbyist artists. Now imagine looming deadlines piling up, stress levels spiking, and your art momentum slipping through the cracks. Burnout creeps in as you wrestle with overcomplicated tech or clunky devices tethered to desktops. Worse? Every missed opportunity to capture an idea on the spot feels like watching your passion slip away, like creative gold dust scattering before you can grab it. Enter the PicassoTab XL Drawing Tablet by Simbans, a true game-changer for artists, students, and hobbyists. Unlike traditional tablets, this standalone Android-powered device doesn't need a computer, meaning you can sketch at the park, refine designs on a bus, or animate in class, all without plugging in. Its 11.6-inch HD screen offers 30% more drawing space, while the Picasso Pen 2 Stylus with 1024 pressure levels brings natural, fluid strokes to life. Pre-installed apps like Concepts and FlipaClip make it instantly usable, and you can grab Krita or Sketchbook from the Play Store in seconds. Picture this. You're traveling, inspiration strikes, and instead of fumbling for a laptop, you whip out your PicassoTab XL, capturing the idea then and there. With 4GB RAM, expandable 64GB storage, Wi-Fi, and up to 8 hours of battery life, it's more than a drawing pad. It's a portable art studio that literally saves your creativity from slipping away. What makes it shine? Benefits that go beyond specs, like streamlining your creative flow, helping you achieve laser-sharp focus, and letting you perform at a level you didn't think possible. Industry reviewers call it a beginner-friendly, all-in-one art tablet that's ready straight out of the box. Influencers rave about its no-cable freedom. Pick it up and start drawing instantly, no drivers, no fuss. Analysts highlight its affordability, impressively portable, uniquely versatile, and unbeatable for new digital artists. And users? They gush, "I draw at the park and on vacation, it's completely changed how I create." Another adds, "The pen works so naturally, and the glove stops stray marks. Battery lasts through a workday." Teachers and parents praise its value, perfect gift for young artists, simple to use, and versatile enough for schoolwork too. If you've ever wanted a distraction-free, self-contained creative tool, the PicassoTab XL is it. Can you imagine the freedom of creating anywhere, anytime, no strings attached? That's the hidden power people are buzzing about. Don't wait, PicassoTab XL stock is limited, and artists everywhere are snapping it up. Secure yours today and join thousands who've already unlocked their portable studio freedom. No more excuses, no more missed inspiration, just pure, limitless creativity wherever you go. Act now, because once these are gone, they're gone. Your art deserves a tool that works as hard as you do. Grab your PicassoTab XL and let inspiration follow you everywhere.